Let's see. It is okay. Yeah, everything is okay. So let's go my channel. I will share right now. Share this and LinkedIn. Just a second. And sending to my friends. Also in X, of course. Hello everyone, Rodrigo from DevInLounge. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. As you know, I am not a YouTuber, but I'm trying here to help everyone with Ruby on Rails, React, React Native, and anything like that. Okay, today is the first video over how to handle with AI and Rails, and of course Turbo Stream. Okay, so let's start an application. Rails new ABC CSS Tailwind. Okay, just that. And of course code. This will be opening this. Let me check the camera, and it's okay. Yeah, it is okay. So in the first moment, okay, hello Claude, yo Claude, I need your help here because this is a Rails project with Tailwind, and I don't have anything in my VS Code settings locally, and nothing with Claude. The definitions. Okay, great for this project. So we don't have anything here. Let's start cd abc bin dev, and now okay, cd abc. I will hide my camera. Just a second. Yeah. And now we use G scaffold, post, title, author, and active boolean. Just that. Right? We need to run migrations. And of course, all of for this section, routes, post. Just that. Okay? Okay. We have this. Hello, Rodrigo. Back to posts, and now this is a new post. Miscellaneous. My wife. Active. Okay. Back to post. But I have this feature, like in posts, I need it is with Tailwind class, but isn't using cat. I need to change this for cat classes, two classes. Let's take a while, just a second. Okay, but is each in row. In fact, in Linux, I like to have I want to have every post not in another row. Let's see. Right now we have this, but the idea is change to grid, right? And now it is okay. Perfect. Another one, and back to post. Okay, but hate isn't okay. Maybe with flex wrap or something like this, because every line should have the same height. Okay, let's see. Yeah, perfect. The first thing that I want to have here, it is the idea to filter using the title. So before the post list, I need to have a form that will be filtered in index action, and when index action using get method. The parameter should be key params key, and if x using blank should filter title, post title. Okay. Let's see what is happening. here. Okay. Hello. Yeah, here it's okay. And now, new post, Rodrigo. Back to post, Rodrigo. New post. Yeah, it is working. Let's see what Claude gives to me. Post controller. I like. Yeah, it is nice, but should be something like that. Yeah, it is better. So this is the sculpted. This is why I understand the real point over to know how to handle with AI. Because let's see, posts. I like this is not exist in SQLite. As you can see, this is just an scope, not the whole post that exists. And if here we have like a Postgres, maybe will be the better approach will be I like. In fact, I will be using for this case a gem that can filter. Let's see, maybe it's time to try something new here, like after this the state, like it is active or no, inactive. I want to have a button here and change for every section this in real time, what is the effect over this. So will be like a toggle. Okay, so in posts partial I want to have broad link to after the status text, and should be changed to be to and pointed to a toggle action that will be change the post status, but using broadcasting in model, so the action will return just the HTTP code. Will be a turbo action. Let's try this, because my idea is to have a button here, and when I click change this for every user and every section. Okay, post controller, okay, So let's try understand what is happening here. In fact, the post, it is dispatching the broadcast to replace post with this. Okay, let's see. No. Schema. Let's see. We need to set here too, right? Yeah. What is the problem here? I will open here and create just for a test. Rodrigo, create, right? When I click here, it is changing, correct? Let's take a while here. Let's see. As you can see, it is okay for the both sessions, but I need to go to an endpoint and there change the will change the status for active or inactive, right? In my opinion, this is not the best approach. I want to move the broadcast, the toggle broadcast to post model. If this will be possible to change from the console. Let's see. Why I am moving this to post. Let's see, post, and here post, right? Because I will open a console here and post. First it is hello world. Post, post. Dev dispatch toggle. Maybe just toggle status, and here the toggle status. Okay, let's see, reload, post first, post, world, and let's see. Why nothing it is happening here? I need to refresh. So something it is wrong, right? Let's try to understand this. After we date commit, maybe it is in why when I try to call Google status from terminal isn't changing in screen, should be real time. This is the idea. This is the problem. It is because async only works for the same process. So cable dispatch from console, and this will be from another process. If we change the adapter to as to solid the cable, the broadcast will be happening. Okay, so let's see, and here too. Well, until now, nothing it is happening. And why? Why? Because the database YAML is not configured yet. The database YAML isn't configured yet. I want to use Redis. I am changing to not use solid cable and in fact use Redis, right? And now let's see if I have this already in my system. It's not installed, but I need to have the Docker compose with Redis here. we have this, and also let's see, Docker compose up, and now let's see, restart the server. Let's try again. Well, now it is okay. But if I want to have a real-time response when I press a key here and filter using Hotwire, like post, if I type this, will search in real time without the button search. Now I need to remove the button, search, and create a Hotwire controller inside him. I want to have the filter using the same action. Let's see, pose controller, using another action like filter, posts controller, and handle the list in real time using filter. Let's try this. I am thinking to have another controller here, okay? Create another action like a filter, and this will be dispatching in index here. Let's see, and in real time, don't need to click on this button, search, having the list here. And why now we have this partial? It is because we have the filter turbo string. Let's refresh and let's see, post. What is the difference over if we have post here and the same here? And I will change, this is a new one. What it is happening, let's see. It is okay. Let's see what is happening. It is because it is inside. Yeah. No. Let's see. Post. This is a new post. Yeah. The name was wrong here. Sorry guys. As you can see, we have in real time the dispatch from Turbo, and I can update from, let's see, this is what is the ID? Post find 2 and Turbo status. The same here. From the console I can change the status without any kind of problem, but for the current user I am using the turbo stream, and here, as you can see, we have the controller input, controller filter, and when something it is inside, we'll be using turbo stream calling this action. So filter controller, we have filter, timeout, set, request, submit, and the submit it is using turbo stream. Basic is that when the user press something, will be a timeout like a 3 milliseconds and dispatching submit, and with this we have the result in real time, but just for this session. Okay, so basically is that. Thank you.